Do you feel like you want to apply to jobs and need your resume and cover letter reviewed? Or you are interested in graduate school and don't know where to start? Or you are looking for undergraduate research opportunities? Well, it's time to make an appointment on Handshake. So from my intro to Handshake video, we know how to log in using NID and password and click on the Career Center to reach on the page you currently see on my screen. From here, you can scroll down and click on the blue button that says Schedule an Appointment on the right. Here, we have different department categories to choose from. If you're here on the main campus and need help with resumes, cover letters, job search, or updating your Handshake and LinkedIn profiles, you can click on Career Services Main Campus. Similarly, if you need help with internships, co-ops, or CPT form questions for international students, you will click on Experiential Learning. For graduate school prep, you can click on Academic Advancement Programs and the Office of Undergraduate Research for research opportunities. For this video, we will be booking an appointment with Career Services on main campus, and we are going to choose Resume Critique. Now that we have identified the category and appointment type, we will go ahead and select the date and time that fits the schedule. The next available appointment slots are on Monday, April 7th, with these people at the listed times. We will book an appointment with Jamie for 9 a.m. for this video. Now from the Appointment Medium tab, you can choose either in person on main campus or virtual on Handshake. And in what we can help you with box, we can specify what type of help we need or what kind of job we need the resume reviewed for. You can click yes or no in the Have you created a resume before? And since this is a resume critique, if you click no, it will prompt you to create your resume first using resources like WeMock before scheduling the appointment. Now I'm going to click yes here. This is the no-show policy that is listed on the screen. Please read through it carefully before clicking agree. It basically says that repeated failures to show for your appointment may result in suspension of your Handshake account. Once all of that is done, we will click on the green button that says request. After the appointment is approved, you can reschedule or cancel your appointment and also leave comments for your career counselor. That's it for today's video. Hope it helped. Bye-bye.